for rotation of our spine, mostly rotation and slight side flexion. And what were you asking about? It is levator castoral muscle. They are attached to the ribs, yes, and they are elevating our ribs.
That's what I said.
Yeah, elevates our ribs.
We can rotate ribs.
Not rotate, elevate.
Rotate.
The rotators, they rotate the spine.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you remember something about joints of our vertebral column, you may remember that rotation in the vertebral column is very, very limited.
Yes.
Okay. Any questions about muscles of back? No. Okay. Also, I have to show you one weak place on the back. Yeah, we have weak spots in different parts of our abdominal cavity mostly. We need to know them because weak spots. Yes, we have to know them because they will they can be the place where the hernial protrusion can happen.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you know what the hernia is? So it is diaphragm.
Abdominal surface.
It is yes. Abdominal view.
Abdominal region.
So on the back, on the back side, we will find the weak point, weak spot, which is called the lumbar triangle. Lumbar triangle. This spot is present between three structures. So
Page number 180.
184?
180.
180. Okay, yes.
Lumbar triangle.
So the earlier one.
Lumbar triangle. Of the
Yes,
T.
yes, we got it.
So lumbar triangle. It is the spot between the structures. So superiorly there will be the latissimus dorsi muscle. Inferiorly there will be the iliac crest, and laterally it will be the external oblique abdominis muscle. Why is it weak spot? Because there is the least amount of muscles in there. Yes.
It forms a triangle.
And in this place can happen the hernia protrusion. It is not so usual, nowadays, but anyway, you have to know this.
If we kick someone, what will happen?
Nothing is. What if you poke over there?
So it depends on how strong will you kick there or poke there. Yeah. Of course, if you will poke it with a knife,
Something blunt.
It depends on how gentle you will be. Yes. Because if you will just do like this, nothing will happen.
No, not like that.
And how?
Stronger.
Why do you want to just kick someone?
Self-defense.
There are much better places where you can kick or poke.
Yeah, of course.